Welcome back, weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you're having an amazing day. So, Model Ones reached out, wanted to send me their new vinyl cream gels, which is so funny because as soon as I heard they were launching this, I ran and I bought one myself. So now I have two, and I think I might need to get more. So I'm going to show you the one they sent over. I'm going to show you the one that I got. We're going to do some press-ons because I chopped all of my nails off. I know. I had a little nail trauma, so I figured I'll chop them I'll chop them all off, throw on a little bit of builder gel, and let them grow out a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm going to do press-ons. So this is the one that I bought. That one is the one on the left is the one they sent over, and that's the one I'm going to use today. I'm going to use both, actually. I'm going to do that really deep, like midnight blue on all of the nails, and then I'm going to do a little starry night moment. By the way, if you scan that little QR code, it'll take you to TikTok and you can listen to music. It's so freaking cute. I love it. This packaging. I have a thing with packaging. I'm obsessed with packaging. Packaging is what gets me, and this is so stinking cute. I cannot. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my brush. I recently heard that this is what you're supposed to do, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to prime it with a little bit of the Model Ones gel base, and it makes application so much easier. Wait till you see how creamy and smooth this goes on. Effortless. So I'm going to take my press-ons, and I'm just going to start applying this to all of the nails, and you're going to see how opaque this gets in 2 coats. I am going to do 2 full coats. I'm going to cure each coat for a full minute. Now, granted, these are not my nails. These are press-ons, so I'm not super concerned about a gel allergy here, but I always recommend curing at least 60 seconds, and I have a 72-watt lamp. I'll make sure everything is linked down below for you guys, by the way. Cure for a full minute just to make sure everything is cured completely, because the last thing you want to do is catch yourself a gel allergy, because even if you get gel on the edge by the cuticle or by the free edge or the sidewall, if you're doing press-ons like I am, that can still come in contact with your skin, and then you can still get a gel allergy if product is not cured. So exercise caution, make sure your stuff is cured all the way. So I'm going to move on with nail number 3. Look at how opaque this is in only 1 coat. It is not streaky. I was really impressed. I think the last time I did a Model Ones cream gel video, I just didn't know enough to do said Model Ones cream gel video. And now I feel really bad about it because I didn't like them. Knowing what I know now I love them. I'm a cream gel fan. I will have more cream gel products coming up because I'm newly obsessed with the cream gels. I love them literally so much. You guys are going to have to let me know if you've tried the Model Ones cream gels or any cream gels. Let me know if you've picked up this vinyl record cream gel palette. It is so, I know I said it already, I'm going to say it again, it's so freaking cute. If you are into the gels, if you like nail art, gel manicures, I would highly suggest grabbing up these vinyls before they are gone. They're on Amazon, they're on the Model Ones website, everything will be linked down below. So as mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and cure this first coat for a full minute, and then we're going to do it all one more time. So I went ahead and, what? Do I know words? I went ahead and I cured that second coat for a full minute. Now we're going to do a little bit of nail art. I was kind of going for an October night sky with this look. Kind of Halloween, kind of fall, kind of any time during the year. So I got a dotting tool and I'm going to make a dot. I'm using the white from the other palette that I have. And I'm going to make just a dot, and then I'm taking a liner brush and I'm going to drag that dot out in 4 directions, making a little starburst, and then I'm going to put a few dots here and there all over the nail. Less is kind of more with this look. I didn't want to go crazy with the dots and the stars and stuff. And when you put all the nails together, it actually looks like the night sky. I could not be more obsessed with this look. I didn't know what I wanted to do because I had a bunch of Halloween stuff going on. I had a couple of fall looks going on, and I was really stumped. I had a mani block. I don't know if you guys ever get just blah. Like, I don't know what to do on my nails anymore. Total mani block. But this came together and I'm literally obsessed. It's so simple, but I think between this beautiful midnight blue teal color and the little starburst, it just gave me exactly what I needed for this end of October, getting into Halloween, moving into the depths of fall vibes. It's exactly what I needed. So I'm going to go ahead and get these starbursts on all of the nails. This is real time, by the way. I will speed it up after this nail for you guys, but this is all real time. It does not take very long. You don't need a super steady hand, but I find this way easier to do on press-ons than on my actual nails because my hands both shake and they shake in like opposite directions. So can you do this on your own nails? Of course you can. Will you have better luck on press-ons? Probably, especially if you're doing your dominant hand. But it's a me thing. I'm not very good with line work. I can make dots. I mean, anyone can make a dot, right? But line work is something I definitely don't want to do with my non-dominant hand. And these nails are going to go on my dominant hand. So press-ons it is. But you'll have to let me know what you think at the end. I'm going to finish up all of the dots and then we're going to throw on a top coat. I'm going to show you how I apply them to my nails. All the dots and starburst are done and they are looking so stinking cute. I'm obsessed already. And now we're going to cure this for a full minute, get those stars cured for top coat. I was going to throw on the Modelones No Wipe Glossy Gel Top, but I'm like, you know what? I've been in a matte mood lately, so I'm going to throw on their matte top coat instead and wait till you see what these look like matte. So after a 60-second cure, here's how they come out of the lamp. There is no tacky layer. They come out beautifully matte. They're kind of like a satin finish, but I really love the way these look matte. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply them. I'm going to use the tabs, the adhesive tabs. I'm not going to go crazy because I don't keep nails on very long anyway. I'm going to take one of these little tabs and I'm going to put it inside the well of the tip. Can you put them on your nails instead of inside the tip? You sure can, but I find this easier for me. I mean, you can do it either way. It doesn't matter, whatever you're most comfy with. But I'm going to stick it inside the tip. I'm going to pull the plastic tab off, so all that is on the tip is the adhesive, and then I'm just going to press it right onto my nail. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys will like it. Thanks again to Modelones for sending everything over to me and sponsoring the video. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.